To start a new KitMerge project that you have the files you will be using, click from scratch. The name of the project will be the name of the folder that all of the contents will be organized. Click to name this KitMerge project. Click to select that we are starting with a Google form. Click to select we are going to use an existing form/sheet. Click Next. In this example, look at the Google Drive folders in the Kincaid IT Merge projects. KitMerge has automatically added a folder for this project called Achievement Certificate. Click this folder to continue. Click to select the Google form you will use for this project. Click Next. Click Edit your Google form. The Google form will open. You can edit everything like any other Google form. Make sure the questions match what you want to know from your recipients. Click Questions to continue. Close the form when you are finished editing. Return to KitMerge and click Next. The next template we are using is a Google Slides file. Click to select Google Slides. Click Use an existing doc/slide. Scroll down and click Tag for each question on the form. Click the tag for email first. Click the tag for name. You will continue this for each tag. Every tag must be selected even if you don't want that answer on your output. Click the tag Goal Met. Look at the list of tags that were selected. You will notice you have access to these tags on every step you might need them. Tags are codes that must be exactly like what you see here. Click Next. Click to select the output file. Click Next. Click to edit the certificate and make sure tags are correct. Click Edit your Google slide. Your file will open. Make edits. Tags must be in all capital letters. Click the tag for name to continue. Close the file when you are done and you will return to KitMerge. Check each step. Select the type of file for your recipients to receive. In this case, a PDF makes sense so they can't edit. Click to select PDF. Click Next. Click to type a subject line for your emails. Click to type an email message. Click Next. To send the form or get the URL to post somewhere else, like in Google Classroom, click Share your Google form. Click Finish. That's it. You're done.